Hi guys, did you know you could use your phone or your tablet as a second monitor for your PC? In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what to do to achieve this. First thing to do to get started, go to this website www.spacedesk.net. Download the software for your computer. After downloading, make sure you get it installed. Then you go to your phone and download the same software. And make sure your computer and your phone is connected to the same network. After it has connected, you can now drag files from or media players or a browser from your main monitor to your phone. As you can see, you can also use it as a touch screen. That's it for this video, guys. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this.